In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with your Claude AI application, a handy tool that brings artificial intelligence right to your fingertips. We'll cover everything you need to kick things off smoothly, from setting up your account to enabling the voice mode feature. First things first, let's open the Claude AI application. If you haven't already, make sure you download the app from your App Store. Now, to use the full range of features Claude AI offers, you'll need to create an account. This step is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen prompts to enter your details, and soon enough, you'll have your account set up. Remember to keep your login credentials secure, as you'll use these each time you access the app. Once your account is successfully created, make sure you are fully logged in. This is essential because logging in ensures that you can save your preferences and have a seamless experience with the app. With your account ready to go, let's focus on activating voice mode. You'll notice there's a microphone icon prominently displayed on your screen. This signifies that the voice mode in Claude AI is fully operational. Voice mode is a fantastic feature, making it easy for you to input commands or queries without having to type, a great time saver, especially when you're on the go. In case you don't see the microphone icon, don't worry. There's an easy fix for that. You'll want to start by pressing and holding the Claude AI app icon. This action will give you a range of options. Tap on the eye icon to jump into the app information settings. Once there, look for the App Permissions option. Permissions are crucial for the app to function correctly, as they allow it to access features on your device, like the microphone. Select the microphone option next. You'll be presented with choices such as Allow only while using this app or Ask every time. For the best experience, consider selecting Allow only while using this app, so that voice mode is ready whenever you need it without repeatedly having to grant permission. Once you've tweaked these settings, swing back to the Claude AI app. At this point, the microphone icon should be visible on your screen, granting you access to the wonderful voice mode feature. Now you can speak directly to Claude AI, which can be incredibly convenient and efficient, whether you're looking for information, making notes, or exploring the many features it offers. And there you have it. You've successfully launched your Claude AI app, set up your account, and activated voice mode. Feel free to explore further and see just how this innovative tool can simplify your digital interactions. Thank you for watching, and happy exploring with Claude AI.